Going on, guys? I'm going to show you a quick program that I made that it's pretty awesome. I think you finance people will like this a lot. So I into personal finance somewhat. So I invest into a lot of stocks, and I want to know about the stock before I invest into it. So essentially, I have a program that uses a lot of AI to analyze a stock for you. I'm going to briefly explain what it does, and I'll show you it in action. So this program is basically broken down into three components: the agents, task, and tools. The agents basically are what you would see in a crew, like I'm using Crew AI for this, so the word comes. So this is what you would have in a hedge fund or something like that would analyze a stock for you. You would hire these people, and so these people have certain backgrounds. They go to college or something like that. So you basically put prompts in and make sure it's delegate to that task. They're all experienced in their field. Basically, it's just like having a team of analysts, basically, and advisors. And then these agents will have they can talk together, and then what they have is they have tasks. And then what these tasks will do, they have to research, and then basically what you see here, they'll perform financial analysis and then give you recommendations on that. And these agents, you give them tools they can use to perform these tasks. The more, obviously the better, but what I gave is the SEC filing search, where they can look up insider trading knowledge and stuff like that, and then financial news, basically the market sentiment, and just basic internet search, and then calculation for stock analysis and stuff like that. So yeah, let me run the program right quick and show you the output. I'm not going to cut it, so it might be kind of long, but I'm using GPT-4, so it might be kind of fast for you. So we're going to do, let's just do Tesla. It's a natural language, so you can do the ticker symbol or just their name. So in different colors, what you're seeing here is the data that it's getting from the internet. So the purple right here is the data that it scraped from the internet through the API. Not necessarily scraped, but this is just the SERPA API. And then it's getting data. Looks like it's getting news headlines from it. So the different colors you're seeing here is different types of data that is getting for the certain task that it is supposed to do. So I need to gather market analysis related to Tesla. I will search the internet tool for this. So it figures out what tool to use and it uses it. Search the internet, and then Tesla market analysis for 2024. And then all these new headlines. Looks like it's from the NASDAQ, so has to be true, right? Yeah, these are all reputable sites, so we'll get some good results. So that was just one agent. It will go to the next agent and then perform a task. See, it's going through the next agent and then perform the task. What you're seeing here is it's scraping. This is for memory, for memory allocation's sake. It's just scraping and it's chunking it up, so there's not a lot of memory taking up on your computer. So look, it looks like it's looking into the SEC filings. The balance sheet, the PE ratio. Looks at Tesla performance. Looks like it went to Seeking Alpha, which is a reputable site. Yeah. All right. So I'll quit talking. You just you can observe. Now I just wanted to kind of slow down the recording right quick, just to tell you guys that this can be done with so the working agent just finished the best financial analysis. So I guess he was looking into the SEC filings, so I went to another one. So back to what I was saying. So basically you can use the latest and greatest large language model for this, which I recommend for the best results. But if you're on a budget, you can use a open source model like OpenHermes, the Mistral fine-tune of it's a lot better than Mistral itself. So you can use that or Llama, anything that supports Ollama. Well, I said that wrong. Anything that Ollama supports. So you would have to be on a Mac. So it finished. That agent just finished. Just got valuable insights. It'll save it to memory, and then at the end, all of them will talk together and kind of combine and concatenate their findings. I think we have one more agent to go, if I'm not mistaken. Now this sometimes can take a while, given that the processing speed and all the API requests that it's getting taking. Make sure you do have a lot of API credits for this if you're using a paid service like OpenAI. So this is the last one. This is the last agent that it is doing. So it's doing the Private Investment Advisor. This is the last one I put on it. It already went through all of them, but this one has a specific task that it does. It goes through. But after this, I'll show you guys a little bit how the agents have like personalities and the prompts that go with them. So yeah, this one looks like it does search for insider trading. So the search results indicate that insiders sold 25 million Tesla shares in the last 24 months for a total of 5 billion. So yeah, this is some up-to-date stuff. I like how we get it where it gives you the links to. So you will know when it's done when you'll know when it's done when it says here's the report. It's in Markdown if you can't tell. You can just make sure you can copy this and then create a Markdown file on your computer or something, or just a Markdown reader. Just name it Tesla report, and the extension is MD. I have an extension on VS Code where it reads the Markdown file. So let's read this. So after thorough review of recent 10K filing, insider trading, market sentiment, upcoming events, and provided. Okay, Tesla's SEC filings. So it says The company's robust revenue and strong balance sheet could help it navigate through these challenges. Looks like it's having challenges, but the balance sheet is strong. The increased short-term debt and potential overvaluation are areas need to be careful monitoring. So that's something that's valuable. Insider trading, while this isn't not a significant amount, yeah. Market sentiment, there's a lot of negative noise around Tesla. The company continues to cut prices, which could potentially affect their profit margins. However, the strategy could be aimed at boosting sales or decrease competition in the electric market. Upcoming events, looks like there's no upcoming events. Given the above, but yeah, so there is different outcomes for different runs. So I will show you guys the other run I made. This one I did before I just push record. Yeah, there is, I mean, given that it is a large language model, it will it varies in the response it gives, but the data that it retrieves is always accurate, given that it is an API. And it just has to know what to do with that data. So this, like I said, I will take you through kind of how the agents work and their prompts. So each agent has a backstory. So the financial analysis, the most seasoned financial analysis with a lot of expertise in the stock market analysis. So they have like a little backstory like a normal employee would, and then they have a specific goal they need to complete along with their task. And then this one is a private investment advisor. So this one, they all have goals and the backstory and their tools. So yeah, tell me guys how you guys liked it, and maybe I will record a video of trying to set it up for you guys, and as quickly as possible, because I know this video is pretty long. But yeah.